Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I'm going to make another slow cooked meal. This time I'm going to use beef. Today turned out to be a real busy day. I had to wake up early in the morning. My end time was 6:45 for a makeup scene, 6:45 this morning. And then I'm actually between wedding right now. So I did the ceremony and then I got to do the beach later on, and then I have a second wedding after that. So I won't have too much time in between to come home and cook something. So I'm just gonna do that slow cooked meal. I'm gonna keep it as simple as I can possibly make it. So these are gonna be my only ingredients. I have a 2-pound beef tri-tip here. As you can see, I bought it when it was on discount. So I wait until they freeze it when it doesn't sell in that first week. And it just kind of makes it cheaper. Salt, pepper, and then that's it, some cabbage and onion. Because of the time restriction that I have right now, this is the fastest thing that I can make. So I'm just going to prep it, throw it in the slow cooker, and then I'll have something when I get home tonight. My wife and kids are actually going to be somewhere else, so they won't be home to cook something for me when I get home. So I gotta fend for my own today. I won't be home till 9 o'clock tonight, so that's in 9.5 hours. So I'm just gonna put it on low for 8 hours. You know what, screw it, I'll put it on low for 10 hours. I just came back home. I finished the wedding real late. I was supposed to finish it at 8, and I finished at almost 8:45. And then by that time, my wife was still at a friend's house eating yakiniku, so I went over there and ate with them. So I'm not really hungry, but I don't want to leave the food in the slow cooker too long. So I'm just going to show you how it looks, break it up a little bit, taste it, and then let you know how it tastes. And yeah, I'm going to save it for tomorrow. I'm just going to put it in a container until tomorrow, because right now it's midnight already. So it looks really good from the outside. Let's see how this looks. Look at that. So it's actually been almost 12 hours. Yeah, somewhere around 12 hours since I put it in here. So I can imagine it's going to be extra tender. Oh, look at that. Super easy to tear apart. Look at that, I just touch it and it comes apart. Here it is. Smells good. Okay. It's a little dry. I think 8 hours would have been good. It's not salty, which I thought it might be a little bit salty, but it's actually pretty good. Flavor-wise, it's perfect. It's just a little dry, so I think it's just I left it in here a little bit too long. But tomorrow I just add some sauce on it or something, some butter or something. But yeah, it's good. Again, I would probably eat it with some avocado on the side or some broccoli, cauliflower. So even though I'm not gonna eat it, it's good to know that I have food ready in the house, just in case I come home and I'm hungry. I don't have to struggle and try to put something together or even pick something up on the road and end up cheating. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or any comments, just let me know below, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Okay, so thank you. Bye.